it resonated with people. And what the story said was like, I've realized that my mind is always moving in the future. And I'm sure yours is too. Planning, worried about the whatever bill, worried about I got to make sure all my responsibilities are in a row, make sure the business is growing, right? Because if I don't think about the future of ASFX, it ain't going to grow. So it's like, I've got all these different things that I'm always in the future for. And then and you know me, bro, you and I are very similar. It's an extreme. I'm not moderately doing that. I'm doing it to my hardest ability. And then my body is always, I realized in the past, because I work like today at 12 o'clock, I'm going to work out really hard. I'm going to work out really hard tomorrow. And in that, I feel like I need to get better at giving my body recovery, because my body's then in the past. And then when the mind is in the future and the body's in the past, my spirit, like my soul, is just stuck, bro. And it was like, bro, it's crazy to say, but like going into the yoga teacher training, I had this heaviness in my chest all week, and I didn't know what was going on. I was like, am I smoking too much weed? Like, what's going on? And as soon as I got there yesterday, bro, or Saturday, and we did 2 practices on Saturday. So we practiced yoga for like 3 hours on Saturday and Sunday.
Sure.
It just, the heaviness started to go away, because and it sounds, some people are going to be like, sounds like some rah-rah shit, but it's not, because like, as I got the words to describe mind over here, body over here, spirit here, let's bring it all back together. My body, I feel like, started to ease up a little bit, because now I'm getting more clarity on what I need to focus on. And I think from the replies on my story, bro, so many people resonated with that. So I'm excited to go down the journey of like learning more about the mind, and I want to share it. Just like with trading, bro, I just want to share what I've learned to help other people get further than me faster, shortcut the learning curve. So
of course,
I'm very excited for that.
Yeah, it's what you also put on your story about turning your phone off and actually just being is actually very true. And like when what resonated now with me was you saying when your heart was feeling heavy. For me, like the last 2 years have been socially, because I'm a very sociable person. I like outgoing. I'm very an extrovert, very, very much so, like my dad. And obviously not socializing that has been quite tough. And so this weekend, Amanda and my girlfriend went to out 2 nights with friends. Went out to have dinner and drinks on Friday, and then dinner and drinks on Saturday. And actually, like it was the first time where actually just my phone was in my pocket, kept it on, and just enjoyed the company of being with friends and that sort of thing. And you actually start to realize, like when you don't get as much, how much you actually need it as a human being, especially being a very much so a very big extroverts, excuse me. So you start to realize that how much you actually need to just sometimes just be in the present and not worry about what's happening tomorrow, what you got to do for business the following week, or what happened in the past, and just live in the present and just enjoy the current time that you have.
You're so right, bro. The other day, I tell everybody this, my phone died the other day, bro. Like, which is rare. Like right now, I've got the charger and it's plugged in right now, right? Like rarely does my phone die, but it died and I didn't have a charger, bro. I'm driving the car, because normally I'm holding my phone when I'm driving, which I don't recommend that.
Or listening to music or whatever.
Right, switching the song. Dude, with the phone dead, I must have checked my phone like 5 times while I was driving in like half an hour, and it was dead.
Unconsciously.
Just exactly, bro. So it's like, I think I'm the worst at sometimes being too plugged in. But it's hard because like I gotta be plugged in. I gotta answer DMs. I gotta answer Discord messages. I gotta post stories. I gotta get it up, because what else? The business won't grow if I don't do it. So it is a push and pull. But I feel like that's where the yoga and all this stuff comes in for me, because I'm gonna go extreme no matter what, bro. I'm gonna go extreme in the business and the workouts no matter what.
Of course.
And I think long term it isn't healthy unless it's balanced with what I'm finding in yoga and meditation and mindfulness, because that keeps me grounded. And it's so corny to say, and I don't think people fully understand it until you experience it. Like many things, I can say to you, like you just said, be present, be in the moment, but it's very hard to know what that is feeling like until you haven't had it and you realize that you need it. You know what I'm saying? So
I think